Hello, Boolean algebra. What is Boolean algebra? It is the algebra of truth values consisting of zeros and ones. It was developed in 1854 by a mathematician whose name was George Boole. Boolean algebra is applied greatly in the field of logical reasoning. A Boolean variable is a variable that can assume a value which can be either a 0 or a 1 and cannot be anything else. A Boolean expression is expressed using multiple Boolean variables and with the help of connectors. The connectors, which are many, but the elementary ones are not and or. A Boolean expression is therefore a sequence of Boolean variables connected using Boolean or logical operators. Now, for example, one Boolean expression is shown in G1, which is P plus Q plus R, where P is nothing but a Boolean variable, Q is an and R is a Boolean variable. F3 is P dot Q dot R. That means dot is the connector between P and Q, dot is the connector between Q and R. Then plus. Now priority of dot is more than priority of plus. Hence, we can see in F3 there are 4 terms. In G1 there are 3 terms because there is no dot operator. Hence, the terms are single terms. In H6, we have P dot Q plus 1. Hence, we have 2 terms. The next thing is Boolean laws and their proof using truth table. This is very, very important and all of you must do this all by yourself once in the copy and then register it in your mind. Now, which are the laws that govern Boolean algebra? They are called Boolean laws. The first one is properties of 0. 0 dot a Boolean variable ends in 0 because 0 dot 0 is 0 and 0 dot 1 is 0 and therefore 0 dot anything is 0. 0 plus anything is that thing. That means if 0 is added to 0, you get 0. If 0 is added to 1, then you get 1 and therefore 0 plus anything is that thing. So 0 plus P is equal to P. Coming to properties of 1. Properties of 1 is like if 1 is multiplied, that is dot product, that is 1 dot P, which is and. 1 and P is P because 1 dot 0 is 0, 1 dot 1 is 1. Hence, whatever is the value of P, that will rule. Therefore, 1 dot anything is that thing. And 1 plus something, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is also 1 and hence 1 plus anything results in 1. You can refer to the previous truth tables for your connective respective reference which was given in propositional logic videos. Commutative law is P plus Q is equivalent to Q plus P. P dot Q is equivalent to Q dot P. Then the next is associative law. Associative law is where the signs are same. Then the brackets can be either here or there, not affecting the expression. So P plus Q plus R is equal to P plus Q plus R. P dot Q dot R equal to P dot Q dot R. This one can be tested using truth table that is coming up. Distributive law, where the law says that the signs can be distributed. I find it easier to remember like that. So P dot Q plus R is P dot Q plus P dot R and P plus Q dot R equal to P plus Q dot P plus R. Now remember one thing, this one doesn't hold in your maths. Identity or idempotent law is P plus P is P, P dot P is P. Law of complement is P plus P bar equal to 1, P dot P bar equal to 0. De Morgan's law is P plus Q whole bar is equal to P bar dot Q bar. That means the bar breaks with the sign changed. P dot Q whole bar equal to P bar plus Q bar. Involution law, P bar's complement is P. That means if you invert it 2 times, it comes back to itself. Absorption law is P plus P dot Q comes down to P. Now this is very interesting when you will see how is this example proved, like absorption law is proved using other Boolean laws. Okay, so coming up are further on these. Okay.